All right, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. I just finished my run. I am having some trouble in the morning. Really, I need to move out of Vancouver because I used to run in the morning and then be very sharp and fresh. Now I can't. It's really difficult. But trading day was amazing. So we did trade Tesla. I did trade Tesla today, and a lot of traders like Andrew K mentioned that one good trade. Thank you for the BBT Education Center, excellent program. After 6 months, I'm starting to find myself with trading. Paris also did a really nice trading on Tesla. And then we're gonna go through the trade that I did on Tesla. It was really nice trading on Tesla, and also the market is at all-time high. So the VOO, which is a SPY, I have this position is up $488,000. TLT, which is the put for treasuries, and it have TNA a little bit on that account that is still on. So S&P 500 is made history again. So it's now S&P 500 is above 500, and it traded well above 500, and now it's at all-time high. And I don't know for how long it's gonna stay like this, but this was just a massive run that we had. And I'm very glad that I have some exposure in there. But let's take a look at the Tesla. So trading Tesla, as you know, after the earning gap down, so it did some sort of a double bottom. So it looks like it's holding 180. So a lot of traders in the community start selling puts at around 170. So that looks like a really nice support area, 180, 170. So you can actually sell protection. But in terms of day trading, really punched through a couple of these important levels that we had. The high of the gap down, and then there was another one. And today I had really solid trading there on that. So traded almost at the previous day close, hold this level, squeezed up. So this volume was really nice. I jumped in long for the break of 191.50, popped up, I sold some, and then I saw that order flow is strong. Also Paris traded Tesla, I just jumped in long, and then we went all the way up to 194. So partial at 194. I added one more time in the below the VWAP, so I added one more time at 192.50, went up almost to 194. I partialed out, and then after that I got stopped out at the break even, so at around here. So actually, yeah, I did got stopped out. So it was a really nice trading day, and that was the only trade that I did. The Cloudflare. We traded Cloudflare as well. So Cloudflare is a very important company. So I had the earning. So it was a really nice 1 minute opinion range break up. On the pullback, I went long at 140. I wanted to get the breakout about 115. Dropped really bad below the VWAP, and I got stopped out. It came back up. A lot of people like Brian shorted that very nicely. It came back up. I went long, added more. It did pop up toward 113, but really had trouble to go through 113. I got out completely out of it, and after that, as you see, really sold off. So what the lesson here that is very important is that you get stopped out if that really doesn't work, because this could continuously going down. So that's a huge drop from 112 to 130. That's like 12% drop, but it came back up. I just got a little bit of a profit on that. Eventually turned out to be essentially a break-even trade for me. But that was really nice trading. And this is a trade that Tesla that Paris did. So Paris jumped in here a little bit actually earlier than me for opening range breakup. Really nice partial. Paris is really good at adding these pullbacks. This one worked as well. And then he added a couple of more times because you don't know if this pullback goes back up or not. So you add in that, and then you eventually get the final exit because you're at the break-even point. So that is amazing. And so these are my open position. It's right now, as of now, these two are $522,000 unrealized, and plus this. So I don't know if I should sell that or not. It's very tempting to sell everything and just retire, but I don't know what to do. What do you think I should do? Should I sell this? Just close all the position? That's crazy. IWM, which is the really lagged from all the indexes. So now IWM looks like it's really going strong toward the 200, and then let's see if it can go above 206 or not. So IWM really lagged, sold off all the way up to 160, now bounced back. So IWM is only index that is not making all-time high. So if you look at the trading terminal. So IWM is only index that is lagging significantly. Dow Jones and SPY and Qs are all making all-time high. IWM in the 1 year is only up 5%, which is really pathetic. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching and have a good weekend. And guys, Vancouver, we have 200 people sign up. We have only 20 spots left because the room maximum capacity is at 240. There are 20 people from the teams coming, so we're at 200. Only 20 people in total. And I hope that we can fill this one in the next month, and we have a really nice event together.